When testing a relay, a coil resistance reading that shows open circuit indicates the coil is bad and the relay must be replaced. Measure coil resistance with a digital multimeter set to the ohms function and ensure the component is disconnected from any circuit to avoid backfeeds. For common automotive small relays, expect coil resistance in the range of tens to hundreds of ohms, depending on whether it is 12 volt or 24 volt rated. For industrial relays with coils rated at higher voltages, resistance can be thousands of ohms. If the meter reads overload or displays an open indicator when placed across the coil terminals, that means the coil winding is broken or burnt, and the relay is defective. A very low resistance reading compared to the expected value suggests internal shorting or partial short to the core, and the relay should be replaced even if it still operates intermittently. For precise verification, compare measured resistance to the manufacturer datasheet or to a known good identical relay and allow for temperature effects, since cold coils read lower resistance and hot coils read higher. When checking for continuity, also wiggle the terminals and housing to reveal intermittent failures caused by corrosion, loose internal leads, or broken wire bonds that will show fluctuating resistance. 3 common mistakes are reading coil resistance with the relay still in circuit, which can return misleading low or parallel path readings. Always remove or isolate the relay before testing. Another mistake is relying solely on resistance without checking coil activation with the rated drive voltage. If resistance is near nominal but the relay will not pull in, apply the proper coil voltage briefly at safe distances to confirm mechanical operation. A third mistake is misinterpreting a very high but finite resistance as acceptable. If the value is significantly above the specification, the coil is likely degraded and will fail under load, so replace the relay. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like electrical troubleshooting and component replacement, helping homeowners find local professionals and contractors find leads. We host a discussion community where we all share experiences, ask questions, and learn practical tips for diagnosing and fixing common issues.